Today we're going to be going over Word 1A, Rock Climbing 101. First, turn your book to page 51. Object 1, creating a new document and insert text. When you create a new document, you can type all of the text or you can type some of the text and then insert additional text from another source. Activity 1.01. Start a new Word document and inserting text. 1. Start Word and display new blank document on the Home tab in the paragraph group. If it is necessary, click the Show/Hide button so that it gives active glow orange to display the formatting marks. If the ruler does not display, click the View tab and then in the Showing group, select the ruler check box. Step 2. Type Rock Climbing 101 and press Enter 2 times. As you type the following text, press the space bar only 1 time at the end of each sentence. Increase your fitness level by learning basic rock climbing using a new L'Oreal College Gymnasium rock climbing wall. The Physical Education Department is offering Rock Climbing 101 as a part of recreational fitness program. As you type, the insertion point must move to the right, and when it approaches the right margin, Word determines whether the next word in the line will fit within the established right margin. If the word does not fit, Word moves the entire word down to the next line. This feature is called word wrap and means that you press Enter only when you reach the end of the paragraph. It is not necessary to press Enter at the end of each line of text. Note: spacing between sentences. Although you might have learned to add 2 new spacing following end of sentences punctuations, the common practice now is to space only 1 time at the end of a sentence. Step 3. Press Enter 1 time. Take a moment to study the table in Figure 1.2. Become familiar with the default document settings in Microsoft Word, and then compare your screen with Figure 1.3. When you press Enter, spacebar or tab on your keyboard, character displays in document represent these keystrokes. These characters do not print and are referred to as formatting marks or non-printing characters. These marks will display throughout this instructions. Default document settings in a new Word document. Setting, default format, font and size. The default font is calibrated and the default size is 11. Margins. The default left, right, top, and bottom margins are 1 inch. Line spacing. The default line spacing is 1.15, which provides slightly more space between lines than single spacing does, and the extra 1/6 of a line added between lines than single spacing. Paragraph spacing. The default spacing after paragraph is 10 points, which is slightly less than the height of 1 more blank line of text. The default view is printed layout view, which displays the page border and displays the document as it will appear when printed. Step 4. On the ribbon, click Insert. In the text group, click the objective button arrow and then click Text from Tile. Step 5. In the Insert File dialog box, navigate to the student file that accompany this text. Locate and select W01A _fitness _flyer and then click Insert. Compare screen with Figure 1.4. A copy of the text from W01A _fitness _flyer file displays at the insertion point location. The text is removed from the original file. Step 6. On the quick access toolbar, click the Save button in the Save As dialog box. Navigate to the location where you are saving your files for this chapter and create and open a new folder named Word Chapter 1A. In the file name box, replace the existing text with last name _ first name _ 1A _ fitness _ flyer, and then click Save.